the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 Specialty Coffeemaker, currently for $589 at Costco. This one is a 3-machine-in-1. It has integrated grinder, weight-based dosing, hands-free frothing, and it has many features. Basically, 3 machines in 1, so it can provide espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, and it has the barista assist technology. Also, it can provide up to different type of settings in terms of coffees, steamed milk, thin froth, thick froth, extra thick froth, and cold foam. Ninja is a brand that we own at home, and this one is on our list currently for $589, and it's a 3-machine all-in-1 here at Costco.